Hey guys, welcome back. So I know the last few videos I've had a lot of teasy lights or a lot of darker clients who want to go lighter, more caramel-like, or more dimensional. Now I'm back. The last few videos, or the ones coming up, I don't know when you're going to see this one, but I do have a lot of my traditional bright blondes back. This is my client Christy. She's been with me for a while now, and we are going to go in and we're going to tackle her root. She's very light. She's around a level 7, almost borderline of an 8. And she's very warm. So we're going to go in, we're going to use Blonde Me with 20 volume, and we have not overlapped her ends since I first did her hair about 1.5 years ago. So we're going to go in and we're going to, focus on the regrowth, feathering down into old subsection, and then we're going to just slightly graze whatever's left on my brush down through those ends just to pop them out a little bit where I feel is needed. A lot of people are scared to overlap, but I find if you don't overlap, sometimes you'll end up getting what I call hot roots. It's where if you just touch the root, that hair lifts beautifully, and then as you go down to the ends, it starts getting dingy and yellow. That could be for many different reasons. Mostly, the hair starts to get healthy again. When you poke holes in the hair with bleach or lightener, it ends up breaking up the pigment in our underlying pigment. We have orange, red, yellow, all that, depending on how dark you naturally are, and that's what actually holds the hair color on. Just like when you do blondes going back to dark, you have to fill. We always erase and eliminate all those undertones when we are lifting with bleach. So what happens is there's still a little bit of underlying pigment left in there. She's naturally very light, so she has a little bit of a slight orange and gold. So what that's going to do is those little pieces, when her hair gets healthy, are going to find their way back together again and start mending together, and that's going to cause the yellow and gold to start showing. When hair is healthy, it is nasty. It sucks, but when it's true, it's true. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but beautiful hair and the color you want is usually damaged, and hair that is healthy or beginning to get healthy again is usually on the verge of looking brassy. So I've been loving this bricklaying pattern lately. It goes with the round of the head so well. I like to do diagonals on the left and right, horizontal toward the middle, and it just rolls so well, you guys. I like doing it for teasy lights, traditional highlights, as well as baby lights. It varies depending on certain details when I'm doing certain things, but for the most part, it's amazing.
I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'll never replay my exes, baby, this way. 'Cause love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me.
So this is a good example of what to do when a client comes in and they're wanting to go real solid blonde, but the best way to do it is baby lights. I don't do lightener on the scalp any longer, but baby lights packed really tightly together are the way to get the best results. It looks very solid, but still enough dimension that breaks it up enough so it has really beautiful grow out.
I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. No, love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cool and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you right. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. Oh, I'll never be plain. My exes made me this way. Oh, 'cause love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cool and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me.
I know some of you out there are going to cringe by watching this, but honestly, guys, the only way to get blonder is to overlap. This doesn't mean go in and overlap every single session. Use your best discretion. You're the professional, but you only are going to get that result the client's craving by actually applying lightener down to the ends. You don't want to get hot roots. You want it to be beautiful. And I'm not one that's always for overlapping, only when it needs it. But I am one who wants to give clients what they want. And I always make sure I go over everything with my clients and know that they're aware and they give me their permission. And it's best to get, documentation, have them sign a contract, and so on.
My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cool and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you right. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. Oh, I'll never be plain. My exes made me this way. Oh, 'cause love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cool and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. I don't really care if I hurt your feelings. I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. 'Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love yous. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm
Quickly, just want to tell you guys that I'm not sick. I know I sound really bad. I wanted to not address this, but I'm going to have to. I literally have been overworked lately. I ended up going to out a couple nights ago, and then I had racing at the dirt track. Very dusty. Allergies are bothering me. I have no sore throat. I'm just losing my voice. This has happened to me maybe 4 times in my life, so I know I need to sleep more, but I just wanted to address that. I don't want you guys thinking there's something seriously wrong with me, because there's not. My throat hurts not at all. I used to sing as a kid. I know what this is. It's turning into laryngitis, so I'm trying not to talk as much, but still give you guys content.
sorry, not sorry that
So she's processed. So I did do teased dropouts. That's going to kick all the left out hair out, so everything is nice and beautiful and even. And we're going to go in and root shadow her with 7N, 7NA, Goldwell Colorance, and then I'm going to tone her with my favorite.
what it seems. It's dark and cool and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you right. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. Oh, I'll never be plain. My exes made me this way. Oh, 'cause love ain't what it seems. It's dark
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. This result is beautiful. This is one of my go-to, what I want to be known for blondes. Everybody thinks of me and they think of white blonde like this and a light slight shadow. This is what I'm loving. This is what I live for. This is my look. When people think of Brett Ryan, I want them to think of this. Let me know down below what you guys think. We're obsessed with it. No damage whatsoever at all. Use your best discretion. Don't be scared of bleach. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for bearing with my voice. I'll be back next week with another video. I'll see you in the next one. As always, guys, so long for now. Mwah.